Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to GP Bank. And if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to know is verify your account on Wise, because otherwise you can't send money because they need your details. Then knowing that after it, we can click here on send, and then he will send you right here to this paying page. Or sorry, not directly. First we need to select our country where we want to send money to, and that is in our place, Japan. Select Japan, and then we fill in right here how much money we want to send. So let's do 100 euros, and then we select right here change, and we do bank transfer. Then we do right here add recipient, and then we do bank details, and then we do someone else. And then what we're going to do right here is first of all select the bank name and search for GP Bank. There we have it. We select right here GP Bank, and then what we're going to do is we fill in right here their email. Then we fill in right here full name of the account holder, and then we select right here account type. So select right here if it's a savings general, savings deposit, or a checking current account. Then after that, fill in the account number, and then we do continue, and then he will send you right here to this review page where you need to check all the details. When everything is correct, click on continue, and then he will send you right here to the payment page where you can complete your payment. What you need to know, if you want to send money from your Wise wallet to the GP Bank, then you need to select in the beginning your Wise wallet, but I don't have any money standing on that Wise wallet, so I selected right there my bank account. So this is how you can send money from Wise to GP Bank. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.